Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me for today's morning flow. So we'll start in child's pose, walking the knees out slightly further towards the edge of the mat, placing the hands out in front of you, and just paying attention to the breath. And from here we'll lift up the right hand, threading it underneath the left shoulder, so you can keep the left hand extended out in front of the body, or reaching back. Gently release, we'll switch sides, so threading the left hand underneath the right. Slowly release, bringing the body back up and making your way to sitting cross-legged. We'll move into some twists, so lifting the right hand up, placing it onto the outer side of the knee, gently twisting the body and then looking over the left shoulder. Slowly release, switching sides. Gently release, and now sending the right foot out to the right side of the body. You can stay up here if you feel a stretch, or walking the hands forward, whatever feels the most available for you. Walking the hands back up, we'll come into a gentle side stretch, so lifting the left hand, reaching it up and over the body. I want to keep the chest nice and open, almost as if we're spiraling the chest up towards the sky. Slowly release, and switching sides, so again staying up here or walking the hands forward. Gently release, and now coming into a side stretch, reaching the right hand up and over. Gently release. And then we'll come into a wide forward fold, setting both legs out to either side of the body, walking the hands forward if that's available. Gently release, and thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here, and I really hope to see you again.